Ayinanga vele mina guys ngiyavuka sekuseni lapha ngivukele straight eMcDonald's ngathi ngiyozibamba ngebreakfast fast. Manje uDecember isikhathi sokuthi ngibambe izinkukhu zakaMagogo ngebreakfast anginaso, ngesikhathi sokuzibamba mina self ngebreakfast. Plus nangapha I just discovered a menu hack lapho ku-McDonald's app ngathi yazi nathi ngijike khona. McD app has new deals, tiger deals. You buy a main from 39.90 each and add on from just half tiger. Like for an example, ungazithengela a chili cheese double burger nge-39.90 bese usi-edele any side from just half tiger. Fast bese sengiqedile ukhetha lapha ngasho ngiscan i-QR code yami mina nge-tiger deal yami half tiger yami ngivele ngazithathile ice cream ngathi yazini athi ngimunyamunye. Guys, is it true ukuthi ukumunye ice cream estradini kune-age limit? Phela ngizwe bathi akusikuhle mabona umuntu omdala khotha ice cream endleleni. Mina ngi-understand ukuthi kuphi inkinga lapho cause umuntu usuka azispoila or yini ngezingcondo zenu ezinjanjani. Nginibhekile. Awu ngasho ngizispoila kamnandi lapha ngiluma ibheka ngephisi umshana ngekho. Yes kuba kusema-tiger deals ngabe manje ngivuke ngomdoko. Fast bese sengimumune ice cream lapha i-dessert-ke lena guys. Nawe ungazithola udla kamnandi njengami. All you need to do is to download the McDonald's app, hit the deals and try the tiger deals yourself. A full meal ngale price le ayikhona umtitilizo ke lo. Obviously bengeke ngihlale ngaphathela umshana something naye athi uhlafunya. Phela bene ngithethisa kuma comments ngiyanazi ke ni. Add a little extra for a lot more flavor. Tiger deals, it's a menu hack. Kulamalanga ngiyashaya isingisi ne guys.